Hey everyone, in this video, let's ask whether AirPods Pro 2 are really water resistant. In order to do so, here we are at apple.com and we're taking a look here at the AirPods. And what I can tell you is that yes, AirPods are water resistant with an IPX4 rating, meaning they can withstand sweat and light splashes, but they are not waterproof and should not be submerged in water. The AirPods Pro 2 are designed to be resistant to sweat and water splashes, making them suitable for workouts and general use. The IPX4 rating indicates that they are protected against water splashes from any direction, but despite their water resistance, the AirPods Pro 2 are not waterproof, should not be submerged in water, such as during swimming or showering. After workouts or exposure to sweat or water, it is recommended to wipe down the AirPods with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth. Do not expose the AirPods to soaps, shampoos, conditioners, lotions, perfumes, solvents, detergents, acids, acidic foods, insect repellent, sunscreen oil, or hair dye, as these can negatively affect water seals and acoustic membranes. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in My Stylus AI, you can make your next essay fast and easy and personalized with My Stylus AI. My Stylus' AI-powered text editor helps you write, edit, and cite with confidence so you can save hours on your next essay. And if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you can get 10% off your subscription. You would also be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate it.